Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve HackerRank data structure problem, which is about 2D arrays. In this problem we are here given in 6x6 2D array, and we have to find the R class with the maximum sum of its elements. An R class is subset of values with indices falling in this pattern right here. So let's see the concept and then we will solve the problem. So here we have a 2D matrix and at right we have all the R classes that can be made by this 2D matrix. I and J are representing the rows and column of the matrix. So the first R class will be this. This is the first R class. At value I is starting from 0 and J is also starting from 0. Then we have the second R class, which is this one. Here I again starts from 0 but J is starting from 1, and so on. But at index 4, here you can see there is no element left to make the R class, so the 4th and the 5th index will not make any R class. Similarly, this will be the R class, but also this 4th and 5th index will not make any R class. So we will have 4 cross 4 R classes, which is 16. So a 6x6 matrix will give 16 R classes. Now we have to find the sum of the R classes and have to return the maximum sum of an R class. Here is our R class function. This function should return maximum sum of a R class. So here we have a nested for loop with I variable for iteration over rows of array and j for iteration over columns. Here range is till n-2 because last 2 indices will not make an R class. So the first time loop will work with I is equals to 0, then j is equals to 0, and it calculate the sum of first R class right here. Then j becomes 1 and it will calculate the sum of second R class. And so on. Then I increases to 1 and it will calculate the sum of all the R classes starting from index I is equals to 1 in the second row. Then we append that sum to list max sum and at last return the maximum sum from this list. So I wrote the function here, the same function, and let's submit the code. It passes all the test cases.